Okay, today we are going to start our next part for operations and numbers over there. And first 22 questions were done in the previous video over there. In today's class, we are going to start with question number 23. And we will try to do as much questions as we can. Write these numbers in order of the size of starting with the smallest one over there. So 13 over 20 first. Then I will say it is going 13 with 20 to be taken into account. And point here 0, 26 times 120. Then there is 100, 0.65 for this one. Then it is 0.77 by 12. 7 over 12, we have to go for it. 7 in 12 over there. Point here is 0. 12, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. 72. No, it's 5 times. So it is going towards 12, 5 times 60. After that, 100. And 12, 8 times 96, like that. I'm taking 0.58 for this one. And then I am taking for 5 by 8, 5 inside, then it means 8. Point here 0 and 8, 6 times 48 to 0, 8, 2 times 16, and 0.62 is not there, so it will be easy to rectify it according to this. 0.62. And if I go for the smallest one here and the largest one at the last over there, then the smallest one is 7 by 12 over here, according to 0.58. After that, 0.582, then I'm writing about 0.62, that is 5 by 8. And then 0.64. It will be written in the original form, not fraction is given, so I'm writing it in original form over there. Then 0.65, then it is 13 by 20. After that, I'm going towards write 0.7. So this is the way how to write your answer. This working is not getting, the answers of working should not be added into the main answer over there. Let's go to the next one. Express that 60 as a product of prime factors over there. So 60, I will have to take 60 over there, 2 times 30. After that, 2 times 15 over there. After that, we can say here 2 times 15, then 3 times 15, 3 5 times, and 5 1 time. So the factors of this 2 square and multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 square multiply 3 multiply 5 are the prime factors for 60. 2 square multiply 3 multiply 5. Express as product. Product means you will have to use the multiply signs between them over there. Find the smallest possible m is such that 60m is a square number. Then for making this 60 as a complete square, I will have to multiply with 1 more 3 and 1 more 5. Then I will say it is going towards 2 square multiply 3 multiply 5. If they are being multiplied by more 1, 3, and 5, they will be converted into 2 square multiply 3 square multiply 5 square, which will be a complete number over there. It means if I multiply this 15 with 60, then it is 15 0, 15 6, 90. So it is 900 should be written over there. The lowest number that is multiple of both 60 and integer n is 180. Okay, means LCM is 180 over there. Find the smallest possible value of n over there. So I will have to go for 180 over there. That 60 is 1. And if I go in general, then I say, then it should be like, I'm just ignoring these zeros over there. Then I'm saying 6 and 9, then it is going towards 90. So 90 is the number whose least common multiple LCM is 18 over there. Now he is saying work out according to board mass rule over there. Board mass rule, I have already told you, board mass rule over there. Board mean brackets, powers of, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. There are no brackets, ignore it. There is no power, ignore it. Then there is division. Yeah, division is available. 12 plus 6 over 3. 6 divided by 3 is giving me 2 plus 1 multiply 5. Now I will have to go towards multiplication. 5 one times is 5 plus 2 plus 12. So 12 plus 2, 14 plus 5. I'm getting 19 over here. By making the denominator same over there, I'm multiplying 7 multiply 5 over 9 multiply 5, making the denominator same over there, minus 3 multiply 9 over 5 multiply 9. After that, 7 5 times 35 minus 9 3 times 27 over 45. Then I'm saying 35 minus 27, 15 minus 7 is 8. And 2 minus 2 is nothing. 0 is there. 8 over 45 is the answer for this question over there. Okay. A number is written as a product of this. Evaluate this number. Means we will have to give in the form of prime factors it is given. We will have to expand this. What is its value? Then it is 4 multiplied 25 multiplied 7. Then it is 400 into 7. 100 into 7, not 400 into 7. It should be taken as 400 into 7 over there. 25 4 times is giving us 100 multiply 7, which is equal to 700 over there. Let's move on the next question. There is should be taken from the next page over there. Okay, the lowest common multiple of this and another number, this n is 2 square multiply 3 multiply 5 square multiply 7 square. Okay, it means what is the number lowest possible value of n over there, which we can write over there. 2 square is present here also, 2 square is present here also. So it means I don't need this one. 3 is not present there, it means I need 3 there. 5 square is still present here and here, okay. 7 is present, 7 square is here. So I'm taking 7 square over here. So why I'm taking 7 square? Because if the 7 is present in this n over there, then LCM will be only 1 7 power 1 over there. So it's better to take it in this form. So it is 3 multiply 49. 3 9 times 27, 2 carry, 3 4 times 12, and 147 is the smallest value to make it the lowest common multiple in that case. Okay, after that, he is going towards the next question where he is saying here is a list of numbers -8, -5, -3, -2, 0, 2, 4, 9. Okay, write down the two numbers from the list that have a difference of 10 over there. Okay. -8 and 2. So I'm taking 2 minus -8 as there, 2 plus 8, which is equal to 10. So I can write it 2 minus 8. Both are having total difference of their numbers as 10 over there. After that, find the sum of the numbers in the list. Okay, -8 minus 5, -13. -16, -18, -16, -12, -3. First of all, I have added all the minus signs. Then I started to subtract from negative value to these positive values over there. And I got -3 over there. It is given that 2x is less than or equal to 7 and greater than or equal to -4. Okay. And write down all the numbers from the list which satisfy this inequality over there. Okay, it means I will have to go for 2 to be taking on the both sides over there. Then I'm saying I'm writing here x is greater than or equal to -2 and less than or equal to 3.5. What I did, I have divided this on the two on this side and on back side also. So write down the numbers, means -2 is there from the list which satisfy the inequality. Remember that I'm writing only the integers, not fractions or decimal parts over there. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. After that, he is saying evaluate this. 3 times 3 is 9. After decimal, how many digits? 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So it is 0.009 over there. Now, let's go to simplify this. 5 minus 2 into. First of all, brackets to be solved over there. It is 3 minus 1.4 is giving me value 0.6. After that, 5 minus 1.2. And how to do 5 minus 1.2? 5.0, 1.2 minus 10, 8. Then 4 minus 1, 5, 4 minus 1 is 3.8 over there. Here he is showing some rules. D is less than A less than C. A is less than E less than C. Okay. A is less than B less than E. Arrange the numbers in order of starting with the smallest over there. A is smaller than C. A is smaller than E. A is smaller than B. Okay, so A is the smallest one and D is also smaller than A over there. D is smaller than A is smaller than E, A is smaller than B, means D is my first letter over here, is less than A over there, is less than A is less than B over there, B is less than A, B is less than C, less than A is less than B, and less than E. Then C and E. So E should be lost. C is greater than E. C is greater than E over there. So I am removing it from B here. Wait a second over there. D is less than A is done. A is less than C. A is less than E. A is less than B. Okay. After that, E is less than C. So E is here. B is less than here. B, then E, and then C over there. So this is the pattern how to write them. And we should not use our less than sign over there. So I am writing here D over there. So this is the pattern how to arrange all of them. Okay, let's move to the next question over there. Express 198 as the product of prime factors over there. All right, 198 I should take 198 over there. 2 times is 99. Okay, after that 3 times, because 2 is not going to divide this one, then it is 33. After that, 3 times 11 and 11 times 1 over there. 198 is going towards 99. 2 9 times 18 to 9 times 18 and 99. Okay. So the prime factor is 2 multiply 3 square multiply 11. After that, M and N are given. Find the largest number that divides exactly into M and N. Means I will have to get a number which is getting divides exactly into M and N. So it means I will have to go for that number which is dividing both into equal parts or divides in this form. So I will get the product of both of them. then I will say here that how can I go for it? This is 2 power square multiply 3 multiply 5 square is being multiplying over there, which will, because the now largest number which that divides exactly into m and n. So that is product that divides and it will become the times over there. And second one is 2 cube multiply 3 square multiply 7. So I will say the resultant number should be written in the same form over there. 2 power 5, base same power z, 3 power 3 multiply 5 power 2 multiply 7 over there. So this is the number which will divide into exactly m and n as a product over there. Find the smallest value of k that makes m multiply k is a cube number. So m is there available. So m is equal to 2 square multiply 3 multiply 5 square. So to make them power 3 over there, it means I will have to multiply 1 power of 2 multiply 3 power of 2 multiply 5 power 1, so that everyone can be showing as a cubic number while basis sum and powers should be added over there. In that case, I will say here that it is taking its value equals to 2 multiply 3 square multiply 5. So 9 to 18, 590 should be there. Let's move to the next question over there. Here he is again using the board mass rule over there. Here he is saying according to board mass, means brackets are not there, powers are not there, division is there. So I will go for division for the next step. That is 12 minus 6. 6 divided by 3 is giving me. So 6 is not written over there. 6 should not be written over there. I am writing here 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 plus 4. After that, he is saying go for addition over there. So because multiplication is not available there, so I'm ignoring this step over there. I'm going to addition. So 4 should be added to 12 with the same symbols. That is 16 minus 2. Then it is giving me 14 over there. After that, he is saying multiply this. I know that 15 multiply 3 is 45. How many digits after decimal over there? There are 2 digits. So it is 0.45. After that, here again to make the denominator same over there, 2 multiply 8 over 3 multiply 8 minus 5 multiply 3 over 8 multiply 3 is giving me the simplified form of the fraction 16 minus 15 over 24, which is equal to 1 over 24 should be taken into account. Now we should go for the simplification of this fraction over there. 1 over 3 divide sign is using multiply sign. 9 over 7. 3 1 times, 3 3 times. So it is giving me the answer 3 by 7 over there. Let's move to the next one over there. Express 500 as the product of their prime factors over there. All right. So 500. 2 into 250 times. 2 into 125 times. After that, 525 times. And then 5 times. And then 5 1 time. So it is 2 square multiply 5 cube will give me 500. M is this, N is this, all right. M multiply N, what should be the power? Means power should be added. For M is 2 multiply 3 power 2 multiply 2 power 4 multiply 3 power 2 means power should be added when bases are the same over there. Then it is 2 power 5 multiply 3 power 4. So P and Q are given 5 and 4. After that, he is saying divide both of them over there. Then M is above. So 2 multiply 3 power 2 over 2 power 4 multiply 3 power 4. 3 power 2. 2 power 4 multiply 3 power 2. So 3 power 2, 3 power 2 cancelled. And so it means they are having the power 0. Means 3 power 0 multiply 2 is coming with its power -4 above. So it is 2 power -3. So my P is -3 and Q is 0 over there. Now he is saying go for n square. All right. N square is 2 power 4 multiply by 2 multiply 3 power 2 multiply 2. So it is 2 power 8. So P is 8 and Q is 4 over there. Right now he is going to say that we should go for the simplification of this fraction over there and expression. All right. First of all, I will go for brackets off over there. So 2.05 minus plus 1.4. 2.05, 1.40. So it is 3.45 over there. 3.45 multiply 0.2 over there. 2 should be multiplied with 345. So it is 690. Basically, the 2 multiply 345. I'm simply doing. I'm showing you here 345 multiply by 2. I'm ignoring the decimal here. So 2 multiply 5 is 10, 1 carry, 2, 4, 8, 1, 9. And 690 is here, 690. How many digits are there after decimal? There are 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3, 0.690 is the answer over there. After that, here he is saying go to simplify this. 3 1 times 3, 1, 4. 4 by 3 minus 5, 4 by 5. Minus 4 over 5. Then making the denominator same, multiply 5, multiply 5. Multiply 3, multiply 3. How much it is? 15 is the LCM over there. 20 minus 12 is equal to 8 over 15. So 8 over 15 is the answer over here. Now he is saying go for decimal and percentages to be taking into account. So remember that it is 3 by 20. I will try to make it 100. Like I'm going to multiply over 5, multiply over 5. I'm getting 3, 5 times 15 over 100. So it is 0.15. After that, in percentage, it is 15%. And for 62.5% in decimal form. So divided by, first divided by 100, then you are getting 0.625 and write it 0.625 in the form of 625 divided by 1000. Let's go for simplification over there. 5 times. 5, 1, 2, 5. 5, 2 times 10, 200. 5 again, 25. 5, 4, 0. And then 25 over 40 is here. Go for more simplification. You are getting 5 over 8. So this is the simplified form of the fraction over there. And let's go to the next question over there. Express 96 as the product of its prime factors over there. Okay, 96 to 48 times, to 24 times, to 12 times, 2 6 times, 2 3 times. 1 2 3 4 5. 2 power 5 multiply 3. 3 over there. All right. After that, he is saying 24 is a common factor of 96 and the integer n. It is a common factor. And given that n is less than 96, find the largest possible value of n over there. So we will have to take 4 more into 20, and I will take as 96 should be there. And less than 96 and find the largest possible value of n over there. And it is common factor of this. So I will say largest possible is 96 times 96. 1 time 96 becomes over there. What is the smallest one then? That is 48 over there. 48 2 times is making 96. If he is saying take its factor with 1, then I am taking a 96. And 1 is the smallest factor over there. And the largest possible, which should be smaller than 96, will be taken like this. Write down the values in the order of their size from the smallest one. Okay, all right. We are writing it. 2 power 5 is how much? That is 32. Okay. 5 square is 25. Here he is saying with 1, 2, 3. 1000 cube root means 1000 with cube root is going to cancel out. It is 10 and it is 1. So from all of these values, I will write 27 with power 0 as 1. After that, 10,000 with cube root. After that, I'm writing 2 power 5, and then I'm writing 5 power 2. No, I have to change here. 5 power 2 should be first because that is 25. And then should be written 2 power 5, that is 32. Okay, we will have to go for the simplification from the complex fractions to the simple fractions first. Then subtract both of them. 6 3 times 18 and 1 19 over 6 minus 5 to the 10 and 3 13 over 5, making the denominators same over there. Making the denominators same over there. 19 5 times 95 minus 78 over 30. 5 15 minus 8. That is 7. 8 7 times 17 over 30 is your final answer. 11 into 3 is 33. After decimal, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 0.0033 over there. After that, he is moving to the next one over there. Express 32.5% as a fraction of the simplest form. Okay. 32.5%. I can write it like 32 2 times 64, 65 over 2. 65 over 2. I will have to write it as a simplest fraction. It means I will have to, for percentage, I will divide should by done by 100 also. So it is 13. 5 times I'm cutting over 13 over 20, 13 over 40. After that, arrange these values in order of size, starting with the smallest over there. All right. Smallest 0.38, 9 by 25, 9 over 25. Okay, put the decimal here. 90, 25, 3 times 75. After that, it is 15. And now 150, 25, 6 times is going towards 150 over there. Then it is getting what? It is getting 0.36 over there. 7 over 20, I should also have to go for that. 7 over 20. If I go for it, then I will write it to 7 inside, 20 outside. Point here, 0 here. 26 times, 23 times 60, 10, 5 times. So it is 0.35. So how to write from the smallest one? That is 7 by 20 because it is 0.35. After that, 0.36 means that is 9 by 25. After that, 0.38. And in the last, there is 0.40 or 4 over there. Okay, here he is going towards the next question over there. We try to do like 40, 41 like that for today. Okay, today we are going with this one, 4.273 plus 2.3. Okay, first brackets are done according to board mass rule over there. I'm doing this for 4.273 plus 2.300. All right, 3 is there, 7 is there, and 2 and 3 is 5. All right, and that is 6. Now I will have to subtract this value from 9.03. So 9.03 minus, I am writing 6.573. 573. All right, take the 0 over here. This carry 2, and this is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. After that, 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. After that, 9 minus 5, that is 4. After that, 8 minus 6 is 2. So it is 2.457 over there. Make the denominator same over there, means 8 multiply 7 over 9 multiply 7 minus 6 multiply 9 over and 7 multiply 9. 7, 8 the 56 minus 9, 6 the 54 over 63, and 56 minus 54 is 2 over 63 should be taken. After that, here he is saying write down all those values over there. Like means the answer is already given, 64.3 is given. Now he is saying he is taking 3 decimals back and 1 decimal forward here. So 2 decimals back should be from here. By observing this, how we should go for it. Okay. Here I am saying 192 and 64.3 is the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.6. This is the answer when there is decimal only 1. Now the decimal is 3. Take this decimal up to 3. 123.456. 123.456. When it is 1 digit, this is answer. When it is 3 digits, like 291, then it should be 3 digit back, and it will be the answer for this question over there. Now he is saying that he is dividing it. Like 192 is dividing on this, means 64 you are getting over there, all right. But what will be the answer? 64 is there, and you are having 64.3 answer is like 643 like that. But how we will judge according to the value that it should be taken. If I take my decimal to the point after to the point before 6, then it means it is 3 digit back. So 3 digit back means total originally was 1 digit, now it is 4 digit. So as I am writing here 643, now 4 digit back 0.0643 as the answer over here. Again, he is talking about arrange them according to the order, starting with the smallest. 74%, 0.74 as positive number. 0.7 minus 0.75. So the smallest one is minus 0.75. So it is minus 3 by 4. Then minus 0.7. Then minus plus 0.7. then 0.74, that is taken as 74% over there. Okay, evaluate this. 2 8 times is 16. I am writing 16 there. After digit, there are how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 0.016. All right, after that, add one pair of brackets to make the statement blue true over there. Means I will have to get 70 over there. If I go for this to place the bracket here and here, 3 plus 4 is 7. Multiply 2, multiply 5. I will get here the correct answer. So this is the way to go according to the past papers for the complete summarizing style of your numbers and operations required for IGCSE and O-level mathematics. Try to do as much practice as you can, because in every question, every practice, you will are going to get a new technique, which is going to help to you to understand the new style of the question. As the examiner is not going to fix on our specified style, mostly 80% he will follow this style, but 20% probability is available that he will try a new style to ask you a question. So as much practice you are going to do and passing through them, you will be much boosted up over there. Thank you so much for today. We will start our class tomorrow. Thank you so much for today. Allah Hafiz.